Start our match here in 3, 2, 1. All right, so we got possibly no from the Red Alliance side. I'm pretty sure I see no movement from the Blue Alliance side. Unless they develop some super secret robots operating clandestine design mode. All right. And with the finishing for our progress.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And a siren start of our teleoperated period as red roars to life. Looks like we got some wiggles from one of the Red Alliance members and some movement, storing our Alliance neutral samples on the blue on the red side.
You guys got your safety time, line it up.
All right, we got 2 points of the sample in the net zone for the Red Alliance. Possibly the other member of the Red Alliance might be able to make it over the observation zone for partner points during endgame. We'll see if they can make that push. We have our other Red Alliance member, I believe that is 436, moving around, pushing more of those samples into the net zone.
Go get more. Keep going, guys.
We have 15 seconds left until end game. 10 seconds left till end game. I'm excited to see the squad again. 5 seconds till end game.
Get in there, touch the bar. Get on the inside.
Alright, with that whistle, we can all take a look at this amazing timing mechanism here. Double jointed arms, really hard to do with all the kinematics involved. Looks like they might be beached on that lower bar here. We shall see if they can just get their arm to touch that slightly higher bar. They can get some points for parking here. We've got 6 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scores for that last match here. I'm going to guess it might be a Red Alliance victory here. And it is Red Alliance victory with 6 points.